Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe, and how appropriate. Today, we're going to talk tulips and tulip care. First, when should you buy them? You want to buy them when they're tucked down low inside the leaves, because once they're harvested, they'll grow the length of their head every single day, growing up and up and up. So the further down, the longer they'll last. Then, since they're growing, they start moving and getting angled and falling down. You want them straight? Take a bit of craft paper or newspaper, line them up, and then wrap them. You don't want to use the plastic that they may already be in because it can create botrytis. So use paper. So there's a little bit of breathing. Staple it. Give the stems a cut. And drop it down into water and let them hydrate. They'll be perfectly straight. Now, there is a myth that your tulips will last longer and not grow if you pierce them with a pin. Now, there is truth to that. But you are also shortening a life because you're creating a wound and introducing contamination. So not a good idea. Best to buy them fresh, wrap them, and you're ready to go. See you next week.